In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix file taking too long to upload on Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you're trying to upload either images or videos, but it is taking too long, one of the reasons might be you enabled high quality uploads on your Threads account. With this, it will always take much longer, more especially if you don't have stable internet connection or data connection. Now, to ensure faster upload, just open your Threads app, and then from your app, go to this profile icon. From your profile icon, tap on these two lines here, and then head down to more settings. Under this, now look for this option, media. And if you tap on media, you can see upload highest quality is turned on. With this turned on, you'll always upload highest quality, even if it takes longer. So this is the reason it has been taking too long. So if this feature is on, toggle off, and this will ensure that you can upload faster depending on the network condition and media files that you are uploading. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix your issue. However, if you are still having issues uploading media files, you may want to go and clear cache for your app by just long pressing on your app, and you should see app info. If you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear. Tap on it to access Threads app info page. At this point, go to clear data and then choose clear cache, and finally OK. You may want also to force this app to stop, so just tap on force stop and OK, and then restart your smartphone and now open your app. And at this point now, everything should be okay, and you shouldn't have any issue uploading media files on your Threads account. So that's how you can fix this issue on your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.